goodwill mission for peaceful coexistence to meet UNC to end economic blockade on national highways. Village chiefs in Saitu constituency threaten to boycott election if errors in electoral roll are not corrected. Police continue cordon and search operation in various parts of the state ahead of Republic Day to prevent untoward incidents. Nangi Shaktam Nungshibaheli bags the Best Film Award, Reddy Yumnam Best Male Actor and Marina Best Female Actor at 6 SSS Manipur 2017. And Manipur polo team out of the second Manipur Statehood Day Women's Polo Tournament. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangtum with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Goodwill Mission for Peaceful Coexistence has appreciated a decision to hold talks by the state government with the United Naga Council and the Centre to end the indefinite economic blockade on the national highways on the 23rd of this month. The Goodwill Mission will now meet the United Naga Council to understand their stand on the issue. Convener of Goodwill Mission for Peaceful Coexistence, Ningthauja Lancha, today spoke to the media at Adim Jati Complex Chingmairong regarding its decision to meet the UNC. He said the mission has been urging the centre to resolve the issue of economic blockade from December 27th last year. He urged the centre to resolve the issue through talks with the parties concerned. Representatives of Goodwill Mission this morning met Governor Dr. Najma Heptullah and apprised her of the prevailing situation due to the indefinite economic blockade. The governor assured them of her support to end the issue.
United Naga Council leaders in Udarakanda High Wafum Sida. Permainan kan bi bagi kari opinion lagi bagi hai betul koi waris sana na ba koi yang tu nuna na ba same sazare marak sida ngasi ekoi na state ki head of the state oi BDB Nazma Heptullah governor of Manipur ka tara mathoi makhai degi koi se 30 minutes chutna for around 40 minutes kumbai koi se waris sana jabani
by residents of a colony in Bangalore. It is alleged by sections of the media that the aggressors were landlords in the area, but this is yet to be confirmed. This assault seems to have taken place over a parking dispute, and from the video it is clear that the students from the northeast were not the aggressors but being assaulted by two men who were also verbally abusing them. One of the victims is a female and police questioned 3 people in this matter. One of the aggressors is clearly heard saying that he is a retired cop. Bangalore, which was long considered a safe destination for students from the northeast, has been seeing a number of growing incidents where there have been cases of people from the region being abused and assaulted on the basis of their looks and ethnicity. The whole incident was captured on CCTV and the video has now gone viral. The incident is said to have taken place in the last week of December last year. Chiefs of several villages in Saitu Assembly constituency have threatened to boycott the upcoming assembly election if the errors in the newly released electoral roll of 2017 of 51 Saitu Assembly constituency are not corrected. 15 village chiefs from Saitu today met the person's media at the Manipur Press Club. Representing the village chiefs, Lenthang Kipgin said names of those persons who submitted their documents to the BLO are not included in the newly released electoral roll, while names of persons who are underage and who do not live in the village have been found in the electoral roll. He also said there is no school by the name Saito Assembly Constituency 51/62 Loiboy Kunau UJB School under Kangpokpi Southern Hills Autonomous District Council and Zonal Education Officer Kangpokpi. He said complaint has been lodged with the CEO Manipur. He warned to boycott the election if the authorities concerned do not pay heed to the complaints.
Aina mi kun mukse aina form 6 thagat le document chumba Aadhaar card na terga metric admit card si yaun aina document si sengna thagat ba matamda ai gu khunda jamba phaw habbirak aduga new kai thi man bi ebe khun sida summary division handak amuk khak da chahum ma hap aduga chahum ma hap ba matam sida akhoi gi nil oirega ma khoi da chahum hin hap pak pasi kari gino khuri bok se mi trani thoi muk mana apply to bu matam da part number di happy rak draga new kai thi man bis da part number 1 sida loina ming do da changre masi gumba si election commission na ikoina masi asyeng ba to view.
Manipur Police Commando today arrested one cadre each of NST IM and UNLF who are out on bail during search operations. Different teams of Commando conducted cordon and search operations in Palil, Twisimi, Bazaar and Kakching in view of the upcoming Republic Day celebrations to prevent untoward incidents in these areas. Thawal Commando today carried out search operation in Palil and Twisimi, Bazaar this afternoon around 2:30. Around 150 persons were rounded up for verification and the NSC and IM cadre, who is out on bail, was picked up. Similar cordon and search operation was also conducted in Kakching supermarket. Around 300 men and women were cordoned off and verified during the search. Police picked up the UNLF cadre, who is out on bail after verification. Police continued cordon and search operations in various parts of the Imphal as the Republic Day draws nearer to prevent untoward incidents. Today, a team of Commando Imphal West under the supervision of SDPO Operation Thankochon Haukip conducted search operations at Dharamshala in Thangal Bazaar. They frisked and verified the men and women in the area, including shoppers and residents. 12 persons without proper identification papers were picked up for further verification at City Police Station. Police also conducted cordon and search operation in Kaithal Manbi, Mahakapui, Namchingkhol today. The operation was conducted as a part of the security measures taken in connection with the Republic Day celebrations and the prevailing situation on the national highways. Sources said police conducted door-to-door searches since 10 in the morning under the supervision of additional SP operation Dr. S. Ibomcha along with OC of Patsoi. One suspected person was picked up during the operation. A team of police led by OC Patsoi Police Station yesterday night seized around 400 liters of country liquor from a van in Maklang area. The liquor was seized during frisking and checking in the area as a part of the security measures taken by the police ahead of the Republic Day celebrations around 9 p.m. Ningthojam Yumjao Leima, 54 years, wife of Ingocha of Taiden Pokpi Maning Leika in Imphal West, was carrying the liquor inside the van. The seized liquor has been handed over to Excise Department. District Election Office, Bisnupur District conducted two-day training program in connection with the upcoming 11th Assembly election. The first phase training was held for the presiding officers and polling officers. Experts, district and block level administrators explained how to use the EVMs, VVPATs and also spoke on the issues of proxy voting, security, etc. DEO M. Hare Krishna assured that all necessary arrangements will be made for polling and presiding officers. An awareness program on the schemes launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi was held today at Brahmapur Adibam Laikai in Yashkul. National General Secretary of BJP Mahila Morcha Jogita Singh said the Prime Minister launched the schemes for the welfare of the people. The National Executive Council meeting of the Popular Front of India appealed to the people of the 5 states where assembly polls are being held not to vote for BJP. It also appealed to the people not to vote communal candidates. The Foundation Day of Popular Front will be held on February 17th in all the states. It's time for a small commercial break. Lots more coming up right after this break. Stay tuned.
Touch the pinnacles of success for your children. Get enrolled to one of the finest schools in Northeast India, UNESCO School. Excellence in Education.
Yumanungi application ki mapung phaba solution pir ba Durasign G6 sizanabiu. Durasign asi Tata Blue Scope Steel Limited ki flagship retail brand ni. Durasign liner ki khudong chaba sing di yumanungi amasung mapan ki application ki khwaidagi yangba phanglang kupnaba. Yan thaba siling amasung phaklang khaidoknaba gi rai laiba solution pi. Panel sing ado phaiba amadi chap yunga mai kai install toba yai. Durasign Tata Blue Scope Steel.
Abema, nang natamibi school IPS have to do yam chikli phai hai nei kam dog ne.
My school is a quality-based English school. It has very competent teachers. They are highly qualified. The principal of my school is a strict disciplinarian. He teaches the student in higher classes.
Hey ma, isa di IPS ki boarding the lerup dagi English ki command so phajana le re, lyrics so am hai re, personality talent so phajana le re na.
To speak English is compulsory at a school and boarding. I have the habit of speaking English all the time.
Adom ki angang singbo Kanchipur da leba IPS haibada Impal Public Higher Secondary School da ming chanbiyo loinan afaba bahiroi oyanbi.
Beneath 100 meters from the Earth's surface, naturally filtered through saline stones, pure, clean and healthy water.
Welcome back to the break and you're watching Primetime English News. One-day discussion on peaceful coexistence was jointly organized by Shangpunglong Youth Development Committee, Khoirom and Manipur Peace and Integrity MAPI Council at Chakama Pungton Village Community Hall in Ukhrul District today. People from different communities attended the meeting. A committee named Yairipok and Shangpunglong Area Inter-Community Peace and Development Committee was also formed to strengthen harmony among the people. Speakers urged the people to strive for peace and harmony in the state, leaving behind their religious differences. They also urged the people to fight unitedly against threats on the unity of the state. Nationalist Congress Party, Manipur State, in a press release said persons intending to contest the assembly polls on the NCP ticket may collect application forms from the party's office at Radhesham Shopping Complex, Singjamai Supermarket. The last date for submission of application form is January 30th. All Manipur Village Defence Force Welfare Association resolved not to perform ROP and election duties and other such duties except for camp duty if their demands are not met by the 20th of this month. They held a meeting at Manipur Press Club today. Speaking to media persons, President Laishram Devan said they have been demanding increment in their salary but the authority has neglected their demands.
February date 20 boki manung sida sarkar na hojiki paisa khoi da hengkat kani hai ba paisa ji happy dragadi date 20 gi matung dagi di khoi vote mamang da handaki taramatoi suba khoi gi assembly mikhan ji khoi boycott pura tawrani aduga duty khoi chat pa yawroi manipur da leiba bdf lising taraga yankhai sina kari gumba khoi gi vote duty chalam thogadi madugi mathakta khoi association na kholakpa thabak khuding makta masa masa na daita pugodobani haba sima thamjage duty tho uya de natraga disengage tawgoni har ko matamda khoi BDF akhoi leiriba akhoi lising taraga yankhai leiriba BDF singje pulap loine kaktat piro ha.
A Maitai Mayek teaching program was jointly organized by Youth Guide Club, Moidangpok Awang Laikai and Milal at Moidangpok Awang Community Hall today. The program was held with the assistance of Directorate of Language Planning and Implementation. Milal President T.H. Babul Chand Maitai said after they started the program in Top Kongnang Kong in Imphal East since December 11th last year, they have been organizing the program in Imphal West, Lamangdong and Thoubal with the help of the club members and people of the area. He said the program was organized with the objective to teach Mitai Mayek to the students as well as their parents. He said these programs will also be organized in Assam, Tripura and Arunachal Pradesh to teach Mitai Mayek to the Manipuris living there. Director of Language Planning and Implementation, Laishram Mahavir said from the academic year 2017-2018, Mitai Mayek will be taught as a subject for graduate students.
Akoi ujijik angang singdi summathang mathang tamaktana 12 class yore maroina hayogdriba guardian sing leriba ahalaman sing asi ayamana mitai mesi hayogdre maramaduna hayogdaba mayam asi hayogna bogidamukta language directorate planning and implementation committee amsung milan ani sika kusam naraga lekai de leriba club singa kusam naraga hariba lemna tambibagi mayaki program sitejabani tamudaba yadi haibagi wakhalonda punna haiminabagi matang adu yokselakle aduna hariba khungjang asida mayam khudimangna sogatpiu.
A person was killed while 3 others were injured when a car hit them at Sawungkok on the 13th of this month. However, the car managed to escape. The deceased is identified as Sarangthim Sotin, alias Mangal, 22 years, son of Kauba of Saijang Awang Laikai, and the injured are Waikom Jinas and Chabungbam Ranchan of the same locality. A JEC has been formed in connection with the accident. Legal advisor of the JEC, Tara Singh Talim, spoke to the media at Manipur Press Club about the accident. He appealed to the driver of the white car which hit the victims to contact the victims on humanitarian grounds.
Mi masirabina hek changjalakpa ngamdabagi akiba khudong chadaba khara leiramgani haibagi akoi chapchaba thajaba leijaba haitare adu hujiksi akoi GSC sima labanina magi adumba nungaitaba adu kari tawrakadege kamai tawrakadege akoi khangna chanaba leitabanina maram moraga haina changba ngamdana leirama poto madumadi kokpiro adu hujik GSC semamina club oiro aduga maira paibi oiro any Saijang village authority gi tawraga machida contact tawiraga ma kaimna safe side kaimto aso open leitana akoi imung manung oina akoi kanasi nungaitabasi share tominasi moiduju madugi chapchabu wakhlon du leiramgani haibagi aseba thajaba leije adi kanda humanitarian ground da makoi bo koi amtang endorse torga makoi ga voluntary akoi yamna nungsinana akoi jamina budugi darkar leiye.
Mizoram was rocked by an early morning earthquake today. News agency ANI reported that tremors of 3 magnitude were felt in Aizawl in Mizoram at around 7:16 a.m. Reports suggested that tremors was also felt in New Delhi at the same time. Yesterday, a low-intensity earthquake measuring 3.6 on the Richter scale struck several parts of the Karachi. Met Office said the 3.6 magnitude earthquake hit the Gulshan-e-Iqbal area at 10:45 a.m. at the depth of 12 kilometers and its epicenter was Karachi. The tremor lasted for 12 seconds, but it caused no loss of life or damage to property. The tremor triggered panic and people came out of their houses and offices. Nominations for the assembly elections in Punjab and Goa ended today. Nominations for Lok Sabha by polls to Amritsar seat in Punjab will also end this evening. Both the states will go to polls on the 4th of next month in a single-phase voting. While Punjab has 117 assembly seats, Goa has 40 seats. Scrutiny of nominations will take place tomorrow and last date of withdrawal of candidatures is Saturday. Nangi Shaktam Nungshibaheli was adjudged the best Manipuri film for the year of the 6th SSS Manifa. O Gautam bagged the Best Director Award, Reddy Yumnam bagged the Best Male Actor Award, while Medina claimed the Best Female Actor Award at the SSS Manifa held yesterday at Kakching Yumbimacha High School ground. The 6th edition of the 6th SSS Manifa 2017 was jointly hosted by Sahitya Seva Samiti Kakching and Film Forum Manipur. 24 awards including Neta Irawat Lila Roy Lifetime Shumang Lila, Neta Irawat Lira Roy Lifetime Manipuri Cinema, Mai Pak Sanahal Manipuri Jagoi Lifetime were presented at the event. Vice Chancellor of Manipur University of Culture, Professor Naurem Khagendra, President of Sahitya Seva Samiti Manipur Kakching, Yengkhom Dhananjoy, and Chairman of Film Forum Manipur, Lai Mayum Surjakanta were among those present at the function.
Sahitya Seva Sidi Samiti Sidi Akoi Yamna Lejataba Sangsana Mani, Tongan Ba Sumang Lilada. The cinema that Hawaii over donors in a Katpira Quakradu Aquina Yam, the one a Kachabani, the Shangmadi state level, Samana, Bangkok Patorum Masidi, Gamen Matang Yam John Toragadi, Aquay Shitaki Hen Sauna, Yam Pazana Putopang with the Masia Quay Tohanjani, Matung Tarakuda, Gabena Masidami and Changirakuna, Masi film a worship Topiva, the Hope Toviva, Amadi. Akoigi film gi lambi sida karahena mapung phana apapa film puthokna ba khon ber kwa oisnu highways thamjari.
And now the sports news. Manipur polo team is out of the second Manipur Statehood Day Women's Polo Tournament. In the second league match played today, Hurlingham Polo Association United Kingdom trounced Manipur polo team 8-4. Charlotte Amy Sweeney scored 5 goals in the first and the fourth chakar of the match. Annabelle McNaught scored 2 goals in the third chakar, while Maimai JB Powell scored 1 goal in the third chakar for the winners. Tate Tana scored 3 goals, while S. Langland scored 1 goal for the Manipur team. 3 teams are competing in the tournament organized by All Manipur Polo Association under the aegis of Department of Tourism, Government of Manipur. Hurlingham Polo Association United Kingdom will meet United States Polo Association USA in the third league match tomorrow. In a relegation eliminator match of the third MCAW Pralada and W Ramananda Elite tournament, Krau Kanamle Kaithel beat Model Club Chingamaka by 10 runs. Model Club Chingamaka won the toss and elected to field first. Krau Kamnam Kaithel scored 146 for 7 in 33.5 overs. In reply, Model Club Chingamaka were all out for 136 in 33.4 overs. With this loss, Model Club Chingamaka failed to clear the relegate zone. TCMDC Thongju and Force Ketrigao will play in the champion eliminator for the third plate tomorrow. Before we end the bulletin, a quick look at the headlines once again. Goodwill mission for peaceful coexistence to meet UNC to end economic blockade on national highways. Village chiefs in Saitu constituency threaten to boycott election if errors in electoral roll are not corrected. Police continue cordon and search operation in various parts of the state ahead of Republic Day to prevent untoward incidents. Nangi Shaktam Nungshibaheli bags the Best Film Award, Redi Yumnam Best Male Actor and Merina Best Female Actor at 6 SSS Manipur 2017. And Manipur Polo team out of the second Manipur Statehood Day Women's Polo Tournament.